Studios. LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Wombi's diarrhea sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Oh, hello. Markov Yuri at your service. I'm gonna test the farting sound effect from my FRTZ. It's from a video called vertical bracket Agassi afternoon with my vertical bracket dash farts vertical bracket. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I need to use my tummy muscles and push. Ow, ow, ow. Isn't it feel good to test the farting sound effect from a video called vertical bracket Agassi afternoon with my vertical bracket dash farts vertical bracket by my FRTZ. The video was uploaded on March 5th, 2022, and the sound duration is 0:34 to 1:15.